Bharat Kaushal. Presently, I am pursuing my bachelor's in engineering from Indian Institute of Technology, Varanasi. Varanasi is the cultural and spiritual hotspot of India. It is one of the oldest cities of the world. This city has been the most wonderful part of my life so far. The environment of this place allows you to introspect, it allows you to discover your true self, and I must say, I discovered myself after coming to this place. I got a purpose for my life, and the purpose is to bring about a change in the society, a change in the lives of those around us, a change in those downtrodden sections of this society. A social engineer, that is what I like to call myself. I joined Kashi Utkarsh to work towards my goals. Kashi Utkarsh is a non-for-profit organization only run by the students of IIT Varanasi. We, the members, on weekends go to nearby slums and undertake various developmental activities there. We teach children and spread awareness about education. We help women set up their small-scale businesses and become self-sufficient. We work for the holistic development of these slums. Kashi Utkarsh provides me the opportunity to break out from my daily routine and work for the betterment of humanity. I am also a member of National Service Scheme Unit of IIT Varanasi. This organization regularly organizes camps in nearby villages where it provides us to get a direct insights into the problems faced by majority of Indians. It taught me the meaning of 4-hour electricity per day. It taught me the meaning of not having toilets in our homes. It taught me the struggle millions are facing for their survival. It taught me to put others before myself. When I think of my long-term career goals, I see myself working for a better and brighter world for all. And this project with PwC is an opportunity that I have been waiting for. It is an opportunity that will make me work for a better world. The Triple Effect project aims to address the blood deficit issue in Egypt. It also ensures the supply of safe blood for the ones who need the most. What can be more honorable and more worthier than this? Means we'll get to make a direct impact on the lives of so many people. My country, India, is also facing similar problems. Every year, many people die due to absence of safe blood. This campaign in Egypt would definitely be an inspiration for me. I am confident that I possess all the necessary skill set required for this internship. My managerial and interpersonal skills are my biggest strengths. I am associated with a social firm named Dawai Devi, which provides free home delivery of all kinds of medicines just by a call or a message with 10% discount on the MRP. Currently, I am working as a marketing head for this firm and was successful in improving the financial turnout of this company just within few months. I am also associated with the marketing and hospitality teams of our college for conducting various fests. I love to debate and involve in a group discussion. I have learned Photoshop and started making different kinds of posters on social issues in a more creative way so that it can easily reach people. Coming to the best marketing campaign for a blood donation camp, basically universities, general public and employees are our prime target. Primarily, there is a general phobia that we become weak after donating blood. We have to spread awareness about this issue either by using social media or by using codings or by one-act plays or skits, various skits or whatsoever, but we have to make sure that they get to know that what they were thinking was absolutely a misconception. We can provide donor cards to all our donors so that they can get free supply of blood when they are in need. We can have tie-ups with labs and various hospitals so that they can help us in making the full health profile of all the donors. And as diabetes and AIDS tests are usually done, so it must not be a big problem. And as this campaign is the capital city of Egypt, we can get associated with various business companies so that they can provide free discount coupons or some other benefits to all our donors. We can involve great personalities of Europe to express their views on blood donation so that it can easily reach to the people. Finally, Egypt has been my favorite destination from my childhood. I really get excited and enthused when I hear or think about the great pyramids of Giza, Sphinx, Valley of Kings, Valley of Queens and all. And also, I love to continue the cultural intermixing of both the nations which was started by Jawaharlal Nehru and Gamal Abdul Nasser. Thank you and hope you have a wonderful day.